Little bird, won't you fly by my window today? Little bird, flying high, won't you take me on a magic ride? Little bird, won't you be a friend to me? And we'll fly high above the world on wings of love. Know somewhere high above the clouds there's a golden sun that shines on everyone, and I feel the warmth of love within. Wash the tears of sadness and remove the madness. Little bird singing with delight, I know everything's alright, and the sound of laughter in the here and the afterlife smile. I can see 1,000 miles in all directions. I can be 1,000 things, it's my decision. And this road I'm on will take me home. It's where I belong. I can't go Little bird singing with delight, I know everything's alright, and the sound of laughter in the here and the afterlife smile. Little bird shining in the sun, you're the heart of loveliness in everyone, and you see what we could really be, like the sons and daughters